Hello everyone and welcome back to Hunt's Job Commercial YouTube channel, where we bring you plenty of overseas job opportunities, and in this video we have got you job openings from Oman, that too from a very reputed company. So without any further delay, let's get started. So now let me tell you a quick brief about the company. So the company is from Oman and the company name is Universal Engineering Services LLC. This company is an ISO accredited company located in the Sultanate of Oman and is the sole authorized dealer of Cummins power generation in the Middle East. Their services include design, supply, turnkey installation, operation and maintenance of diesel electric generators, diesel engines and gas engines of various capacities and application. Currently this company is hiring for their genset divisions. So now come on, let me take you through all the job positions. The first job position is sales manager in industrial marine and oil and gas engines. For this position, the candidate must be graduate or diploma with mechanical and electrical engineering background with more than 15 years of relevant sales experience of Cummins or any other leading brand of engines. The second position is sales engineer, diesel generator. For this, the candidate must be graduate or an electrical or mechanical engineer with minimum 5 years of sales experience in leading brand of gensets and have relevant industry background in power generation. Third position is sales engineer, genset rental. For this position also, the candidate must be graduate or have diploma in electrical engineering with experience in genset or equipment sales. For this position, the candidate must be graduate or have diploma in electrical engineering with experience in genset or equipment sales or power technology or energy selling field, preferably in Gulf market. The fourth position is service sales engineer in motor rewinding, overhaul and refurbishment. For this, the candidate must be graduate or have diploma in electrical engineering with experience in motor rewinding sales, preferably in local market or Gulf market, and have proven track record with 5 to 10 years sales experience within the motor rewinding industry. The last position is deputy manager for sales motor rewinding, overhaul and refurbishment. For this, the candidate must be graduate or have diploma in electrical engineering with experience in motor rewinding sales, preferably in local market or Gulf market, and have proven track record with 12 plus years sales experience within the motor rewinding industry. These were all the relevant details regarding the job position, their educational qualification and the required work experience. For this position, the candidates are going to get very nice attractive salary package based on their relevant work experience. Listing is in progress for all these positions. In order to apply, Mumbai, Chennai and Cochin address and contact details are given on your screen and also mentioned in the video description below. So do check out the save and apply. After your CV is shortlisted, the final interview is going to take place online through any virtual platform. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please do like it, share these job related updates with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe Hunt's Job Commercial YouTube channel for staying updated on all overseas job opportunities.